सरकाराचे सगळे नेम मोडून बेकायदेशीर रितीन जुवारी न्हंयत शिरदोण ते ओशेल मेरेन नुस्तें मारतात. ताचेर कोणच कारवाय करिनात म्हूण आतां भारत मुक्ती मोर्चान मुखेल सचीव आनी नुस्तेंमारी खात्याच्या सचिवाक निवेदन दिलां. 2019 वर्सान नुस्त्याच्यो बोटी थंय वाडल्यात. ताचो परिणाम पारंपारीक नुस्तेकारांचेर आनी जुवारी न्हंयच्या देगेचेर जाला. देखून ताची सर्वे करची आनी बेकायदेशीर नुस्तें मारपाचें बंद करचें अशी मागणी भारत मुक्ती मोर्चाची गोंय प्रभारी मॅगी सिल्वेरा आनी हेरांनी केल्या.
एक कॉपी आम्ही सेक्रेटरी फिशरीज दिल्या आयज सकाळीं. सगळे आख्या म्हयन्याचो रिपोर्ट कशे करी खंयचे डेटीर वायलेशन जालें, रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट आनी ताचे रिमार्क्स अँड ऑब्जर्वेशन. Coastal Security Police has refused to shoulder burden of illegal fishing in Zuari River, saying that it is not primary duty as per media reports. Most illegal fishing in the month of February 2019 was carried on by trawlers, while there was one incident of illegal fishing by mini-seining boats. 30 incidents of illegal fishing reported in February 2019 involving 374 boats, of which 372 are trawlers. In January 2019, there were 15 incidents of illegal fishing involving 152 boats, of which 151 were trawlers. Intensity of illegal fishing by trawling in Zuari River has doubled from January 2019, 151 to February 372. There is progressing deterioration of law and order situation in Zuari River due to illegal fishing by trawlers in 2019 within 5 kilometers from the coast, wherein trawl nets as well as seining nets are prohibited from use as per prevailing law, Marine Fishing Regulation Act 1980. Such large-scale violation is leading to destruction of fisheries in Zuari River due to destruction of riverbed rifts by use of trawl nets. There is need to carry on estimate of damage caused by trawling to Zuari riverbed ecology during the first 2 months of 2019 and take effective measures to enforce total ban on trawling, including impounding of offender trawlers under Section 18 of Goa Daman and Diu Marine Fishing Regulation Act 1980. Primary duty to maintain law and order at sea is with Fisheries Department under Section 4(2)(c) of the Goa Daman and Diu Marine Fishing Regulation Act 1980. The capacity of Goa Fisheries Department in this context of law and order is completely damaged state. This needs drastic turn around.